Wenzhou ZHONGHUAN Intelligent Machine Company Limited was founded in 2010. The scientific and technological company which gathers R&D, production, sales and service in one concentrate on supplying the intelligent packaging machinery for the daily chemical, pharmaceutical, cosmetic, food and other industries. ZHONGHUAN has passed the ISO 9001 Enterprise Certifications and CE Quality Certification and owned multi-nominal invention patents and utility model patents. Our main products are bottle filling production line, monoblock filling and capping machine, tube filling and sealing machines, and other packaging machines. Since ZHONGHUAN establishment, we have committed the principle of innovative product, excellent product, sincere service and integrity first. According to the demand of the market, customers' feedback and the industry developing trend, ZHONGHUAN has successfully exploited a lot of our feature products, such as the mechanical hands type monoblock filling and capping machine, which has the function automatically feeding bottles, filling, capping, labeling and so on. Also coming with the protection system of no bottle, no filling, no plugger, no cap feeding, no cap, no capping, and the automatic rejection function. With the wave of Industry 4.0 globalization, ZHONGHUAN keeps the steps with the times and help customer create the intelligent factory and continuously strengthens the effort on intelligent packaging machinery researching and developing. Apply the kinds of robotic technology into packaging machinery. After decades of development, now ZHONGHUAN has owned highly innovative R&D team and excellent quality management system. Relying on efficient team, independent technologies and best price quality product, ZHONGHUAN has obtained a lot of good feedbacks from their customers worldwide. Now we have supplied the services of equipment installation, maintenance, technical support, factory upgrading, consulting and so on for about 210 factories from 70 countries in the world. Inherit excellence, create future. In coming tomorrow, ZHONGHUAN will continue to deepen the effort on intelligent packaging machinery, researching and innovation. Promote the development of international new packaging technology.